Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to set up auto-generation of payment advice through connected banking in TallyPrime. Once you set it up, your suppliers receive a payment advice after an online payment via connected banking is successfully processed by the bank. This does not affect the payment advice sent by the bank. In case of payment reversals by the bank, after they are processed, the recipients of the payment advice will not receive an update about the reversal. To use the facility of payment advice, you need to connect a bank account to TallyPrime and enable online payments for the bank connection. You need to configure it in the bank ledger for auto-generation of payment advice. In the bank ledger alteration screen, enable Set Alter Bank Configuration. Now, enable Set Alter ePayments Configuration. Let's enable Auto-Generate Payment Advice. You can get a copy of payment advice emailed to your desired email ID by enabling Get a Copy of Payment Advice and configuring emails. Enter the email address. You can add an existing, new, or multiple email addresses. The selected email addresses will always receive a copy of the payment advice. If you want your supplier to view the Billwise settlement details in addition to the transaction details, then enable the option Include Billwise Details in Payment Advice. Note that this is not applicable to multiple bills and allocations. Press Ctrl A to save the payment advice configuration. Press Ctrl A to save the bank ledger. Now, let's see how TallyPrime sends payment advice to your supplier. Consider that you are creating this payment voucher. As you have provided the email address in the party ledger, it appears here. You can always update the email address. Press Ctrl A to save the screen. Press Ctrl A to save the voucher. Before you send a payment, ensure that you have logged into connected banking. Press Alt-Z. Send payments and press Enter. Select the payment and press S to send payments online. Once the payment is processed, your supplier receives a payment advice and you can see that you also have a copy of it. The payment advice contains payment details like account number, beneficiary name, amount and UTR number. It also contains bill details such as the bill numbers and respective amounts for each bill. As you saw, auto-generating and sending payment advice using connected banking is easy. This helps you inform your suppliers about the payments sent from TallyPrime. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.